Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how to flip an image, and what you're actually gonna do is about to follow this video. So we gonna start actually add an example of an image that we're gonna start to see if it's really a certain situation that is really to be satisfied with the way that we want actually through that is about to be right here to click on a file and they say import is image. I bring it an image like this, as you can see, and this is really what we can see, like blue. So we can start to click here on arrange. Okay, so we can right click arrange or maybe flip. We can start to flip here, flip vertical or flip horizontal. So this is really how you flip, but actually this is really satisfying with a flipping because it's really a square. So we can see right here, we can start extending that more than what we can see usually with a certain frame or a certain shape. So really this kind of goes like this. We can flip. Okay, so that is all about